So yesterday, a very senior power professional was discussing with me कि इजराइल की जो वॉर चल रही है, इजराइल हमास वॉर विच इज गोइंग ऑन, इन द मिडल ऑफ दैट वॉर इजराइल हैज इनॉग्रेटेड वन ऑफ देयर वेपन्स, और वो वेपन्स को बोलते हैं आयरन डोम. तो आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, एवरी डे यू आर लिसनिंग टू द न्यूज दैट देयर इज अ आयरन डोम which is protecting Israel. So जो भी what I see, I am not expert in defense, but if anybody throws a missile at Israel, very simplistic way, that Iron Dome is एक system है जहां से it will again the counter missile will go and it will destroy that missile. So the Israel gets protected. So it is Iron Dome which is protecting Israel. But Israel has released a new weapon system which is called Iron Beam. Iron Beam में what it does is electricity, powerful electricity is transported to 8 to 10 kilometers and then it destroys whatever incoming missiles are coming. So एक 100 kilowatts का there is a system which is Iron Beam and it can also defend Israel in future. So उसमें डिफरेंस ये होता है कि when Iron Dome से when Israel is protecting itself, तो $50,000 का एक वेपन आता है जो प्रोटेक्ट करता है इजराइल को. लेकिन आयरन बीम जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलती है, वहां पे $2,000 से इट कैन प्रोटेक्ट इनकमिंग मिसाइल्स. सो माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट, सो व्हाइल थ्रोइंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट द स्काई, करीब 10 किलोमीटर तक वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को थ्रो करता है और उसको बोलते हैं कि 1.5 kg TNT डायनामाइट की पावर होती है. मतलब एक कॉइन भी अगर 10 kilometers दूर उड़ रहा है, that iron beam can target that coin. So is it transmission of electricity? That is my question. 10 किलोमीटर तक अगर किसी ने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की बीम थ्रो करी, so is it transmission of electricity? That was the question. So it was interesting. एक और क्वेश्चन था, क्योंकि जनरेशन in India, generation of electricity is de-licensed, but transmission, distribution, trading and supply of electricity are licensed activity. So अगर कोई इस तरह से maybe for defense purposes or any other purposes, if let us assume defense ministry also wants to do research and after researching they say okay, for India also we should build certain electric defense systems wherein incoming missiles can be targeted and Delhi or India whatever place can be protected. So will the Ministry of Defense require a license to generate electricity and to transmit electricity also? So then the answer is no. Why no? Because the Electricity Act section 184 provides an exception for defense purposes, for research purposes, or for creating any weapons for defense purposes with electricity. No license is required. So whether it is distribution, transmission, trading, supply, no license is required. And as per section 184 of the Electricity Act, defense is an exempted category.